Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve the problem contact center problem on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first of all you have to move on this call app. After you've been moved on the call app, what you need to do is start now. You have to click on the contact. After you have been moved on contact, then here you have to click on this create new contact. Okay, when you move on create new contact, here you have to type your name. After that, just type the phone number. Okay, then here is the save option. Before doing that, what you need to do is just select to save to. You just click on this save to. Then you can save on the Google or on the device. If you want to save on the device, you can save on the device, and if you want to save on the Google account, you can save on the Google. Okay, you just need to tap like this and it will be saved. See, it will be changed. Okay, if you want to set save on device, you can save on device. Just click on save. It will be saved successfully. If there is problem, you can save it like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.